Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So I come from the western part of Kenya and we travel for long hours, from 6 to 8 hours at night or during the day. So here are a few tips if you're going for a road trip, a long distance road trip. Tip number 1, travel with a bus company, meaning a company that has many buses, a company that has an actual office where you can go take your complaints, where you can go get your tickets, and in case the bus breaks in the middle of the road, they're able to send another bus. So most of the buses that go to this side, it's Easy Coach, Transline, and then there's a newbie in town, it's called Coach. So most of the time, if you travel with a bus that has no offices, a bus that has it's on its own, so you're also on your own, you have to go back in your pocket and figure out how you're going to get to your destination. Tip number 2, dress comfortably. I recommend you wear sandals because you're going to be traveling for a very long time, and when you're seated for long, there's this issue of blood flow, then your legs swell. Also, the vehicles that I've just mentioned, I've been on Easy Coach and I've been on Transline. I haven't been on Coach yet. They have leg room, so you're able to stretch yourself and you're able to lean back your chair and actually sit comfortably. When it comes to dressing again, dress warmly, especially when you're traveling at night. You see how I'm dressed? Yes, that is how you survive a night of travel because it tends to be cold. Buy snacks from Nairobi, especially if you're on a budget. They tend to be cheaper here in Nairobi, but if you can afford it, by all means go buy it in Nakuru, in Narok. Most of the time, if you're coming from Nairobi, if you're using the Narok road, the first stop is always in Narok. If you're using the Nakuru road, the first stop is always in Nakuru. That is between 2 to 4 hours from Nairobi. So if you get hungry like me, you need to buy yourself snacks to snack on before you get to the next stop. Carry coins because at these stops, for example, this is Narok, you're going to need to go to the toilet and you're going to pay 10 shillings. They give you tissue paper with that, okay? And you're going to also need a coin bag to carry the coins. I sell these bags for 50 shillings each, just in case you're interested, and also carry tissue paper just in case, though they give tissue paper once you pay that 10 shillings, okay? And the last tip is minimize the amount of liquids that you take, especially water. You're going to be traveling for 6 to 8 hours and you have limited stops, like 3 or 4 stops, right? So you need to drink less water so that you are comfortable traveling instead of holding your pee, being all uncomfortable on the road. Sawa sawa. So thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.